Dear students, welcome to my channel. You are watching Manikant All in One Research Point. I am Manikant Mani. I am going to explain about the rest parts of the ratio. The rest parts of the chapter starts from here. You can see number 19. The ratio of a fractional number can be got to change the fractional number into its simplest form, the lowest form, or the standard form. Suppose that we have to find the ratio of 6 by 8. So, this 6 by 8 will be divided by their HCF and we can get the HCF of 6 and 8 in this way. And so the HCF of 6 and 8 would be 2 and we can get the ratio of this number 6 by 8 in the following ways. The result is 3 to 4, 3 to 4. In this way also 3 to 4 and in this way also 3 to 4. All equal type of fractional numbers gives the same number of ratio. If 70 by 100 will be cancelled by their HCF, the HCF of these numbers is 25 and it will be cancelled by HCF. So the next new number we get 3 and 4. There after we write these numbers in this way in the simplest form. So the ratio of 75 by 100 is 3 to 4. And this is another example you can also see here. Number 21, here is written different equal fractional numbers may have the same simplest form. 2 by 3 is in the form of the lowest form. So these are the difference number and these numbers give the simplest form. In this way you can see below. After cancelled all these numbers, 4 by 6, 6 by 9, 8 by 12, 10 by 15, finally all the numbers gives 2 by 3. This is the simplest form. So the ratio of all these numbers would be 2 to 3. So it has been said here, different equal fractional number may have the same simplest form. Different fractional number would have the same simplest form, 2 by 3. Hence all the fractional numbers should be into their simplest form to express the number of ratio. Here is written, try to understand, as for example 3 by 5 and this is the fraction which is also the rational number, and when 3 by 5 will be expressed into the number of ratio, then it is 3 to 5. So 3 by 5 is a fraction, a rational number, and 3 to 5 is the number of ratio. Number 23, tell the common factors and the highest common factor of the following number as 18 and 24. So first of all, we get the factors of these numbers. The factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18, and the factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12 and 24. So the common factors of 18 and 24 are 1, 2, 3 and 6, wherein the 6 is the largest number, so the highest common factor of these numbers is 6. At number 24, rational number. What is a rational number? It has been defined: the number whose decimal expansion is terminating or non-terminating frequency recurring or repeating is called a rational number. Number 25. The properties of 1 is. Look at the examples. As for example, 2 by 1, and here 1 is written, and generally 1 is invalid here, and this 1 is in the form of denominator, in the form of 2 by 1, in the form of rational number. It is also a improper fraction. But in the number of ratio, when 1 is written below the any number, as for 1 is written below 2 or 2 by 1, here 1 is not invalid in the number of ratio, so it will be written and it will be counted just as 2 to 1. In the third example, we can see here, as we write 1 by 2, and here is written in the form of numerator. So here 1 is valid, 1 by 2. This is the fractional number and it is in proper fraction. So 1 is not invalid in all cases. Here 1 is written in the denominator form. Here is also the denominator, but here the 1 is in the form of numerator. So 1 is not invalid in all cases. Now we study 26. Number 26. In fractional number, first term is written up and second term is written down. It means below. But in ratio, these are written by the order of the place as first and second. As for example, in the form of fractions 3 by 4, 3 is written in the place of numerator and 4 is written in the place of denominator. But in the number of ratio, 3 is written at first place and 4 is written at second place. So this is called the first term and this is called the second term, and this is the difference between them. At number 27, it is written the matching or the comparison of two same kinds of amount quantity is called ratio. You can see here the example 3 by 4 equal 3 to 4. So 3 to 4, here comparison 3 to 4 between 1 in difference. So there is one difference between 3 and 3 to 4. Number 28, when two homogeneous quantities are compared by the action of division by their HCF, the quotient obtained is called the ratio. You can see the example at here 250 by 100, and when this will be cancelled by their HCF 50, then the quotient 5 and 2 would be in the simplest form, and this number will be changed into the number of ratio as 5 to 2. You can see the number 29, it is written ratio is a number that shows the relationship between like quantities, that shows how many times one quantity is less or more than the other. The quantity of water 500 grams, milk 250 grams. Then in the number of ratio, when it will be cancelled, it makes 2 by 1. So water 2 parts and milk 1 part. It means water is 2 times greater than milk and milk is 1 time less than water. Now we have to find the values of the objects. In a mixture, the ratio of water and milk is 2 to 1. If water is 500 grams, then what would be the exact quantity of milk? The ratio is 2 to 1 and 2 parts water 500 grams, 250 plus 250 grams, its 1 part would be 250 grams. So the milk is 25 gram. 2 to 1, here 2 to 1, it means 2 part water and 1 part is milk. If 2 parts equal to 500 grams, then 1 part would be 250 grams. The last number is 30. The measurement of same quantity is expressed in different ways. You can see here is written objects in gram, glasses, cups, liter, a spoon. Suppose water 200 grams, milk 50 grams, then it would be written in this way. Finally 4 by 1 and ratio 4 to 1. After cancelling these numbers by their HCF into the simplest form. Similarly, glasses, if add glasses water and 2 glass is milk, then add by 2 makes 4 by 1, so the ratio 4 to 1. Suppose that there are 12 cups of water and 4 cups of milk, then it would be written such as 12 by 4, and after cancelling the new number we find 3, 3, 1, 3 by 1, and in the ratio 3 to 1 in the form of liter. If 18 liters of water and 6 liter of milk, then 18 by 6, finally we get 3 to 1. In this way, the quantity of an amount can be got in different ways by the same ratio 3 by 4. If 3 parts milk and water, 4 parts, find the quantities into grams and in this way. So, herewith the class is over. I shall meet you in my next video with a new topic. Till then, take care and goodbye.